Okay, welcome on Operation Hurricane. Alpha Airplane Japanese, turn 7. Roll tech on Discord. We hit improve construction, our large ship construction stage 3. That's it. Alright. Big turn. You got a lot of non-combat movement. No combat this turn. I see that the Soviets or the CCP took this territory. That's probably good. That might survive. So, alright. Non-combat movements. Our purchases. You have 20 FPPs, we'll save 19, we'll save 1. We upgrade we upgrade a minor to a major port, buy transport, and 2 Marines. Okay. Alright, so let's get another fleet marker out here. We're going to form another fleet in the Truck Island here, Central Pacific. Alright, obviously these two carriers, not obviously, but unbeknownst to some people, these will be moving out to the 6th Fleet. These destroyers will be there as well. We're going to fly TAC from the 2nd Fleet. Over there. Fighter can go 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just let's see here. Actually, I'm gonna move the whole fleet 1 to the Marianas. All these ships move out there, including the planes on the 41st. We'll go back to this carrier. And actually, let's see. Moving all 3 carriers out there, actually. Transport will come out here. This light carrier will come out there. Second fleet will be these transports going 1, 2, and the 41st. 5 transports, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Destroyer will go 1, 2, 3 to there. Battle cruiser, heavy cruiser. Let's see, the battleships can move 2, 1, 2. These can move 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 2 heavies. In that fleet, 2 heavies in this fleet. 1 light cruiser there, 1 light cruiser there. These torpedo destroyers will also go 1, 2 into this fleet as well. That will stay there. Let's see what else. What else did I buy here? Actually, that should have been a destroyer. This got the wrong piece. Yep. So that was all same price, 19. I had 20 saved one. That costs 4 to upgrade a port. Yeah, that's correct. I think that might be it. This all stays where it is. That's all good. He stays where he is. It's all good. I'll put this guy there. Sub stays there. And I think that will do it. Okay. Get rid of that. 2 Marines. Actually, I don't need a port signal there. Just go to store anyway. It doesn't really matter. 2 Marines. 1 in Tokyo, 1 in Honshu. And then we have the big upgrade on the port. Should be Marianas gets a major port. And that will do it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see y'all on turn 8. And it should be a big one because I think Germany, a lot of forces here, should have enough to go against Paris, maybe. We'll see. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.